Chapter 1. Intro. Hi everyone, and welcome back to another behind-the-scenes video. Creating YouTube videos may look simple, but there's a lot happening behind the camera that viewers never get to see. One of the biggest factors in achieving a professional-looking video is lighting. My old Amazon photography lights have served me well over the years, but it was finally time to take my lighting setup to the next level. Today, we're taking a look at the NEEWER NL-192 AI bicolor LED panel lights. This kit promises brighter lighting, adjustable color temperature, and greater flexibility for content creators, photographers, and videographers. But how much of an improvement is it over my current setup? And is it worth the investment? Let's find out. Chapter 2. Disclaimer. Before we begin, I'd like to thank NEEWER for providing the NL-192 AI bicolor LED panel lights featured in this video. As always, receiving a product does not influence my opinion. NEEWER has had no input into this video's content and no control over my conclusions. Everything you'll see is based on my own experience using the lights in my studio. Chapter 3. Unboxing. Let's open the box and see what comes inside. The first thing you'll notice is a nice black carrying bag, making it easy to store and transport everything. Inside, you'll find a safety information leaflet, a disposal and recycling leaflet, the instruction manual, two LED panel lights, two cold shoe mounts, two power adapters, and two adjustable light stands. Everything is neatly packed and ready to be assembled. Chapter 4. Review. Now it's time to take a closer look at the lights themselves. One feature I really like is the included cold shoe mount. It gives you plenty of flexibility, allowing the LED panel to be mounted on the supplied light stand, a standard tripod, or even directly on top of your camera. The mount also lets you tilt the light, making it easy to achieve the perfect angle for your shot. Another great feature is the built-in rechargeable battery. Once fully charged, you can use the lights without being connected to mains power, which is ideal if you're filming on location or simply want a cleaner setup without cables running everywhere. At full brightness, the battery provides up to 90 minutes of continuous use. The controls are straightforward and easy to use. Brightness can be adjusted smoothly from 0 all the way up to 100%. Allowing you to dial in exactly the amount of light you need for your scene. You can also adjust the color temperature anywhere between 3200 and 5600 kelvins. This makes it easy to match other light sources in your room or set the correct white balance on your camera, helping you achieve natural-looking colors without unnecessary color correction during editing. One thing that also impressed me was how cool these LED panels remain during use. As you can see from the thermal footage, even after being switched on for an extended period, they don't generate excessive heat, making them ideal for longer filming sessions. On the back of each panel, there's a clear LCD display showing the current brightness level, color temperature, and remaining battery charge, so you always know exactly how the light is configured. overall, the controls are intuitive, the build quality feels solid, and everything works exactly as you'd expect, making these lights suitable for YouTube videos, product reviews, live streaming, photography, and just about any other content creation setup. Chapter 5. Why good lighting matters. When people first start creating content, they often think they need to buy an expensive camera to improve their videos. But in reality, lighting usually has a much bigger impact on image quality than the camera itself. Even the best camera won't deliver its full potential in poor lighting, often resulting in noisy footage, inaccurate colors, and harsh shadows. In my opinion, if you're deciding between buying a new camera or improving your lighting, I'd invest in the lighting first. The difference it makes might surprise you. Chapter 6. Conclusion. So, what do I think of the NEEWER NL-192 AI bicolor LED panel light kit? After using it for over a month while filming my YouTube reviews, I can confidently say it's a significant upgrade over my previous lighting solution. The lights are bright, easy to use, and the ability to precisely adjust both the brightness and color temperature makes it much easier to achieve a consistent, professional-looking image. I also really appreciate the built-in rechargeable batteries, which give me the freedom to film without being tied to a power socket. Combined with the versatile mounting options, these lights are equally at home in a studio or on location. If you're a YouTuber, streamer, photographer, videographer, or simply looking to improve the quality of your content, this kit is definitely worth considering. As always, I'll leave links to the product in the video description if you'd like to learn more or pick one up for yourself. Chapter 7. Thank you. That brings us to the end of this behind-the-scenes video. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch, and I hope you found it both useful and informative. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with anyone who might find it helpful. And if you have any questions about the lights or my filming setup, feel free to leave a comment below. I always enjoy hearing your thoughts and will do my best to reply to as many of you as I can. Thanks again for your continued support, and I can't wait to see you in the next episode. Until then, keep creating, keep improving, and keep shining.